Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear. With popular features, features also include premium sound system, parking sensors, towing package, hands-free Bluetooth integration, cooled seats. With these ratings, pick up this great vehicle, which is available today. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact the dealer today and get behind the wheel today. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, tow hitch, power passenger seat, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.